and also how to add them to the menu. So let's go over here to the WordPress dashboard. So I'll click on Exit to WordPress. Then I'll click on the WordPress logo, and then I'll go to Dashboard. Now here is where all your pages are located, and here is where all of your posts are located. Now over here, I'm gonna click on All Pages, and it's gonna bring us back to the Pages section, and these are all the pages on your websites. Now if you wanna delete a page, here, for example, we have a refund and return policy page that we don't need, it's draft. So I'll click on Trash, and that'll delete the page. Now if you wanna create a brand new page, here at the top, I'll click on Add Page. And this will be like our team, right? Our team. At the top right, I'll click on Publish and Publish, and then we can design this page using Elementor. So here, I'll turn on the page builder. And in this specific case, I'm gonna use the AI. So right here, I'll select Elementor AI. Here, I'll click on Generate. Now, I'll be honest, the AI builder with Elementor is not the best, but it can be useful sometimes. Okay, so as you can see, I asked it to create a 3-column row, but it created 4, but that's not bad. So I'm gonna select this one here and click on Use Layouts. All right, and I'm just gonna delete one section. Okay, there we go. So now we have a 3-column row, and I'm just gonna add in some images here. Okay, so I went ahead and I just uploaded the images, and then of course you just gotta change the names right there. But what I wanna do here is I wanna now publish this. So at the top right, I'll click on Publish. Now I want to assign this page to the menu. So notice how we created this page, but it's not on the menu. So let's go back to WordPress. So over here, exit to WordPress. And then scrolling down, I'll go over here to Appearance and click on Menus. Okay, so this is the menu that was automatically created when you imported the Blocksy template. Now right here under Pages, I'll click on View All. And this is a list of all the pages on your websites. Now I just created that Our Team page. So here, I'll select Our Team and click on Add Menu. And then I'll take this and I'll just put it right here. Now, if you want a drop-down menu, for example, here I'll take this and I'll put it under Services. When a user hovers over Services, the Our Team will then be displayed. So I'll just go ahead and leave that for now. I also want to talk about custom links. So over here, let's just say, for example, you got like a Facebook page or a Facebook group or a school or something. Here I'll go ahead and paste the URL for our Facebook group. And then here I'll put Facebook group. All right, group. And then I'll click on Add to Menu. Now we can take that and put it under Contacts. And then I'll click on Save Menu. All right, so let's take a look at our website. So over here we have the services, and now we have a drop down for Our Team. I'll click on Our Team. And then we have that page that we created with AI. Also, if I go over here and click on the actual Facebook group, it'll then redirect users to my Facebook group as well. So that's how you can create pages and also how to add them to the menu. All right, now the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about the actual contact form. So over